Imagine baking perfect cookies or roasting a whole chicken without ever worrying about uneven heat. That's what the right electric stove/oven delivers. Welcome back to my channel, friends. Today I'll reveal the top 5 models worth your money. Stay with me, real kitchen magic awaits, and you'll find all product links below to grab yours. At number 5 is COSMO COS-305AERC. Ready for a surprise? The COSMO COS-305AERC houses not 1, but 5 burners, including a 4,700 watt triple element powerhouse, under its smooth glass ceramic top. In the crowded field of top electric ranges, this one stands tall. It features a 5 cube feet oven with turbo true European convection and 7 distinct functions: bake, broil, proof, warm, convection bake, convection roast, convection broil, giving you professional flexibility. Compared to some simpler models in our top 5 list that lack convection or dual burners, COS-305AERC offers an upgrade in control and power. The pros are powerful burners, even cooking, and a versatile oven. The cons are high voltage demand, 240 volt, possible cosmetic and control quirks reported by some users. Overall, if you want a serious all-rounder in your kitchen, this earns my recommendation, but if your usage is light or your wiring weak, one of the lighter models may suit you better. At number 4 is Thor Kitchen ARE30. Here's a startling fact. Many standard electric ranges never fully heat to their rated wattage under real use, but the Thor Kitchen ARE30 refuses to settle. With its smooth black glass top and 4 radiant heating zones, from 1,200 watt up to a 3,000 watt dual ring, it offers true flexibility. Its 4.8 cube feet oven, paired with a convection fan, means dishes no longer emerge uneven or underdone. In our lineup of top 5 electric stoves, this one stands out for balancing power and usability. You get heavy-duty knobs, a clear LED display, and fast cleanup, relief from scrubbing after meals. Downsides? No self-clean mode, and its 240-volt power draw might demand a stronger circuit. Compared to other models in our top 5, ARE30 isn't the absolute premium beast, but it's a rock-solid choice for serious home cooks who want both control and durability. I'd recommend it if you need a dependable all-round performer. Skip it if your setup is basic or your usage light. On number 3 is Empava 30-inch. Want to hear something wild? The Empava 30-inch range claims to deliver 6-figure performance, yet many users call it a budget miracle. With a 4.8 cube feet oven and radiant cooktop boasting 4 high-power elements, 2 dual-ring 2,100 watt burners, 2 1,200 watt ones, it promises flexibility for big meals. It tackles the core frustrations many face: underwhelming output, uneven heat, and cleanup nightmares. The smooth glass surface cleans fast. The temperature span from 150°F to 550°F gives you control. But beware. Empava's support reputation and durability under heavy use isn't as battle-tested as the other models in our top 5. The pros are strong burner options, roomy oven, steam clean function. The cons are uncertain long-term reliability, patchy brand service. In short, if you want great specs at a moderate price, this is worth checking. But if you demand decades of proven service, safer names from the top 5 might suit you better. At number 2 is CHETTO C 36-inch. Here's something to shake you up. Not all 36-inch ranges deliver what they promise, but the CHETTO C 36-inch dares to exceed expectations in surprising ways. Its 5-burner induction cooktop, 2 3,000 watt, 3 1,200 watt, gives you serious versatility for boiling, searing, simmering, you name it. Pair that with a 6 cube feet convection oven, and you've got space and uniform heat for large meals. The glass steel design and built-in lighting let you watch your food without opening the door, a small detail that makes a big difference. In our top 5 rankings, CHETTO challenges more established names with its power and specs. The pros are 5 burners, huge oven, sleek feel, smart layout. The cons are a new brand, unknown long-term durability, support services uncertain. My verdict: if you're bold and want features at a bold size, this is a contender. But if you prioritize decades of support and foolproof reliability. Now moving to the last one is the Rangaire RRE303GS. Here's something that might surprise you. The Rangaire RRE303GS packs 5 burners and an air fry mode into a sleek 30-inch package, something you rarely see together in our top 5 lineups. Its radiant burners, from a 2300 watt triple zone to standard 1200 watt rings, shine in versatility. The 5 cube feet true convection oven with self-clean gives you consistent results and less elbow grease. Glass touch controls keep things modern, though a few reviewers noted they can be finicky. Compared to simpler models in the top 5, the RRE303GS aims higher in tech and features. The pros are lots of cooking modes, strong burner flexibility, self-clean, air fry included. The cons are newer brand, control interface wobbles under pressure, warranty limited to 1 year in my view. If you crave innovation and flexibility, this makes a compelling case. But if you prefer safe bets with long-standing support, a classic range in the top 5th of may still win your trust. The winner is Rangaire RRE303GS, and here's why you should go for it. It offers 5 burners, a 5 cube feet true convection oven, air fry mode, self-clean, and sleek glass touch controls all in one package. It combines advanced features with flexibility and great cooking performance, delivering more tech per dollar than COSMO or others on the list. If you want a range that brings innovation, control, and everyday utility, all without jumping to oversized, premium models, this is the one to pick. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best electric stove and oven. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.